Oh, goddamn. Boy, she look good in this goddamn picture right here. I can't wait to get rid of this damn interviewer so I can look at her some more. Let me see if she want her little sugar daddy. Sugar daddy on the prowl. Goddamn, she look good as hell right there. I tell you, I need that little thing right there.
Peter?
Oh, you actually said my name right. Yeah, how you doing, sir?
Hey,
how you doing?
Hey.
All right, look.
Ken McKinley.
Clammy McKinley. Oh, yeah, Mr. McKinley. How you?
McGinley.
McKinley, how you doing?
Miss McGinley.
I said that.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
I go by Peter, man, and I'm...
Two N's?
If you want to. It depends on what day. What's the day?
I don't know.
What's your experience?
I don't have any experience. I've just never had a job. My stepdad got me an in. I don't know what I'm doing.
Who your stepdaddy?
Bob Thatcher.
The fat boy Thatcher. Fat and Thatcher is your stepdaddy.
We don't say fat in our house.
You forgot it. You know your stepdaddy fat, right?
He's festively plump.
He's fat.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So you gonna gain a little weight too? Cause he couldn't get around here. You know, we this is the wilderness, and you know in this wilderness they got everything. We got bears, lions. Matter of fact, they go one of them lions right there. We gonna go. You want to go try to catch this lion?
I really don't, sir. No, sir.
How you expect to work out here?
Do we get guns?
Do we get guns? Do we get guns? He asked if we get guns. I told you about that goddamn line right there. We got to go.
Yeah, man. Like I mean, you got to have something, right? Like some kind of. I'm not trained. I don't know self-defense. Like, how are we supposed to deal with this?
I've been wondering. You gonna be all right with that luscious locks rock around here?
I mean, I guess.
You know, they might mistake you as one of them little. You know what I'm saying? You good with that?
Yeah, I don't have an option, man.
You got that lines made. Hey, take that. Let's get up out of here, cause I got this girl that's ready to call me, and I'm trying to get home by 5 o'clock. And you know,
Wait,
it's
I got
already
the job?
4:30. Of course you got the job.
So what are we doing?
We about to go catch the lion. I wasn't lying when I was talking about the lion. Let go. Come on, we got shit to do. Let me call this girl. Hey, girl, I'll be home in 5 minutes. All right. Now, so you got to be careful because the damn mountain lions, they come out and they just run around your ass. You know, you got to be careful. All right. You know, be stealthy. All right. I got bad knees, so I got to make sure I walk a little different around here. You know, oh shit, hold up, she calling me again. Hey girl, yeah, I'm around here teaching this little youngin' around here how to do some things. She did. Just make sure you have them pink ones on when I get there. Oh shit, that's it again. Oh my God, that's it right there. Hold on.
Hey, man.
Boy, you act like you ain't never been mauled before.
Well, that's because I've never been mauled before. Are you okay?
God damn it. I try to tell you. I thought you was gonna be good for this damn job, man. You can't even hold. You need some good maulings in you, man.
Maulings?
Oh, God.
So sorry.
What are we doing?
So
I'd rather
sorry.
go back with the lion.
Come on.
Oh,
We'll get you
Lord.
to a hospital. I don't know if
Oh, Lord.
I'm not sure I want this job.
I think you should.
I don't think I
You're
do.
stuck now.